people, today we're going to be planting tomatoes, and I'm going to be your garden girl, Livie, and I'm going to show you how to plant tomatoes. And first, you get the plant right here. You get it. Put them out. Stick your finger on the hole. Then get one seed. Put it in there. And then close it up. And then make sure it gets a lot of sun and water. And if you're wondering, it makes its own food. And wait until 7 days until it makes a little sprout. And it's in 7 days, that's when it makes a sprout. And then you get it and then put it outside in 7 days. Please like and subscribe.